Hi, this is Tassie Pippert. Thank you to Atlantic Union Bank for supporting Tassie's Table. Atlantic Union Bank offers a range of financial solutions for consumers and businesses, including checking, savings, and lending. More about what they have to offer is available at atlanticunionbank.com or at a local branch. I love quesadillas. They're just a quick and easy way to make a meal. So today on Tassie's Table, we'll be making some baked black bean quesadillas. Super easy, super delicious, and they take no time at all. So we're going to start with some tortillas that I've warmed. I've got this just wrapped in a little paper towel. Now, if you don't have one of these vessels, you don't need that. Just wrap your tortillas in a nice damp paper towel, stick them in the microwave for about 20 seconds, and they'll be nice and warm and ready. And then we want to get our beans ready. So I have about a can of black beans, and I just want to mash those a little bit, not a lot. I still want some whole beans, so I want some texture in there. And then I'm going to add about a half cup of onion, and this is one of those quick and easy things you can do. Instead of cooking it on the cooktop, you add about a tablespoon of water, cover it with plastic wrap, stick it in the microwave for 1 minute, and then let it rest for another minute in the microwave. Uncover it, drain those onions, and then you've got a cooked onion ready to go right in here. So we're going to put in about a half cup of onion that I've sweated, and then a tablespoon of taco seasoning. And you can use any kind of taco seasoning you like. And then I want to put in a pinch of salt. There we go. Now, let's just stir that around. So we've got our tortillas, we've got our beans. I have some cheese over here. This is such an easy recipe. It's one that you can make with black beans, or you can throw in some chicken or anything that you'd like. And then we want to take one of our tortillas. And over here I have a pan that has a little bit of olive oil on it. We're going to bake these in this pan. And I want to just brush the olive oil on that tortilla. This is going to help them brown just a little bit. There we go. Then let's just lay that down. And then I want to take just a little bit of my black bean mix, probably about 1/3 cup. This will make 4 good-sized quesadillas. We want to make sure that's on half of our tortilla, but give just a little edge here on the outside. That way, when everything is baking, it won't just spill out. Now let's take about a tablespoon or so, maybe even 2, of our cheddar cheese. And you can use a cheddar or you can use a Mexican cheese for this. Nice Mexican blend, gives you really good flavor. And then we're just going to lay our quesadillas on our baking pan. Now I'm going to do a few more of those, and then I'm going to put it in the oven at 425 degrees, bake for about 7 minutes, flip it, bake for another 7, and I'll be back to show you that finished product. So here we have our baked quesadilla, and it looks so good. It's crispy right out of the oven. Now you might ask, why do I do this in the oven and not on the cooktop? Well, sometimes when I'm getting ready for guests, I just need that little extra time away from the stove. When I can get the things done that I need to do, I can primp and I can do all that fun stuff. So that's why I did this. Now let's take some of these yummy ingredients. We're going to take a little cheese and just sprinkle across the top. And then how about a little tomato? And of course, more tomato, a little salsa, because it's got such great flavor. And then maybe some onion, a little lettuce. How about a little sour cream? Just a dollop will do. And then a nice squeeze of lime. That's a quesadilla fit for a guest, and it makes a great dinner just for you. It's quick, it's easy. You'll have some leftovers if you're the only one eating. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. So for this one and a lot more, join me again on Tassie's Table.